the reverse of protraction, it is retraction. Here means eyes they are more nearer to median plane as compared to the ear.
In IPMT, it's about 3 subjects are there: physics, chemistry, and biology. And main focus is in biology. 80 questions are there of biology, so it carries more weightage. And physics and chemistry are of 40 questions.
Biology is easy to go with, and since it carries more weightage, so if one is good at bio, then there are many chances that he can crack up that exam. Well, NCERT is a mother book, so you should refer to NCERT. First and foremost book should be NCERT. Apart from that, if anyone has joined coaching classes, so they also provide study material, study packages, but the main focus should be NCERT because directly questions come from that book.
I think to understand NCERT, we need different books. The NCERT, the language is a bit confusing and different, and it's a short book. So to expand and elaborate that, we need a refresher.
For AIPMT, there's nothing else but the NCERT.
Yeah.
And you can solve around 15 years old questions also. The main focus should be on the MCQ type questions.
Each and every word we should
And we have
focus
to
on.
understand the language of the question.
You know, they just try to trap you with the words or the spellings. Like we have in intercellular space and intracellular space. So the inter and intra, that makes a big difference, and it's very confusing for students because when we are sitting in the exam hall, already there is so much of pressure. It's many a times 90% chances are there that you make that answer wrong, mark that answer.
And all the 4 parts of the MCQ, all the 4 answers are based on
yes,
different concepts.
Yeah, they were very tricky.
Topics which are to understand are genetics and biotechnology, and rest other topics are for mugging up. And the most difficult chapter to mug up is plant diversity and animal diversity. There's nothing to understand, not a single thing to understand. You just have to mug up these chapters, and these are very important. 5 questions each comes from both the topic. 5 from animal diversity and 5 for plant diversity. And another chapter in biology which is to understand is the photosynthesis and respiration. You have to understand that topic, and rest other topics are to know about. You have to just bring 60%, focus on the PMT. If you focus on the AIPMT and the other PMT, you will be good in boards also. I'm not saying you'll get 80% around, but main focus should be your AIPMT, not board. I got 81% in my boards, and I don't see any difference. Don't think that there's an exam right now. Think that you are giving another test of your coaching class, something like that, and it will be easy. Don't take the useless burden. No,
Not a single topic.
if you leave a topic, you leave a question.
Yeah.
That's simple.